In this video, I'm going to show you how to open a game on a second monitor on Steam. So the first thing you want to do is, of course, have two monitors connected to your computer. So if you're using a laptop, make sure you have another monitor. If you're using a PC, just have a different monitor connected to your computer, okay? So once you have two displays, there's one thing you have to do inside your system settings on Windows first, okay? And what you want to do is go down here to search inside Windows and type in display, and then display settings will pop up. What you want to do is press on display settings under system settings. And in here, as you can see, I have two monitors. What you want to do is click on the second monitor and click down here where it says make this my main display. Now this will make your second monitor your main display and help your game launch on that second monitor once you launch it up. And once you've done that and pressed make this my main display, you can close this down and we can come back to Steam. Now, the second thing would be to open Steam on your secondary display. So simply move your Steam on your second display, okay? That's very easy to do. And then what you want to do next is go to Library and look for the game you would like to launch on your second display. In my case, I only have Call of Duty over here, so what I'm going to do is right click on it. So right click on the game you would like to launch and click on Properties. In here, as you can see, you have launch options, okay? And under launch options, where it says advanced users may choose to enter modifications to their launch options, what you want to do is type in dash adapter, and then you want to type in a number. So if you want to run it on your display number 2, you want to type in 2. If you want to run it on display 1, you want to type in 1. If you have multiple displays and want to run it on display, let's say 5, you can do that as well, okay? But for most of you, it's going to be adapter and then display 2, okay? So that's literally it. What you then want to do is close this down, and as you can see, if I go to properties again, it has saved successfully. And yeah, that's it. You can then launch your game and it is going to launch on your second monitor. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, make sure to subscribe to the channel.